So if you are here currently here with me on the call and you already have everything set up, kindly say hi using the on the group. Okay, here we are. So I think yesterday we talked about yeah, we only reviewed some couple of assignments, and I think almost everybody impressed me. I see some kind of submissions that really wows me, and I just want people to keep that energy. So I would, yeah, start by checking out briefly on the yeah, I would start by checking out briefly on the group so that I can see what yeah, what is going on. Some people mentioned me, and which obviously makes sense on the page yesterday. Look at this design. So it shows that people are actively following me. And yeah, look at this design as well from Omeza, which uh, on the other hand also makes sense. Look at this design from Zainab. It makes sense. Like it shows that you guys are following me, just some little things that you all need to improve on. So I believe before the end of the class or before the end of the show, we should be able to clear up some things. So let me go straight to the point. Like I said, I think today I would start from the home section. Like I have my home section today. And remember, whenever you want to create any design, just click on create a design. So let's start by creating a logo. So let's start by creating a logo, and let's make it unique and you know. So when I want to create my logo, because we will be creating a complete product design today, where you will learn some basic style of layout, alignment, perfection, and having some confidence on the type of colors you need to choose. So you can't be a good designer if you don't have a deep creative thought of how to match colors, how to use text perfectly, and yeah, like that. So please, if you can hear me, let me see you say yes, you can hear me on the comment box, because some people are still having challenges with their mic, and I think the only thing to solve that is for you to use a good microphone. Yeah, good microphone. I mean, a good just use a good tools. Another thing I would like to clarify also, some people are saying we promise you scholarship and are we not supposed to use the Canva Pro and things like that. It's basically a kind of misunderstanding. How would you say somebody wants to teach you a graphics design and you're telling them they should need to get you the premium platform to learn? How is that possible? It's you just need to learn, and for you to learn does not require anything pro. And ever since I've started this course, I've not used any template for you. We are almost building everything from the scratch. How did you want to get a job when you are all you are doing is using leveraging on another person's template? And what does the premium entails? It simply entails on the usage of some tools. Like, let's say, for instance, if I want to use this, it will bring a, it will prompt up a pro Canva. It will prompt a pro Canva, which I don't felt there is any necessity for it. and I will cancel it because I'm not using it right now. It's not that I can't use Canva Pro for you, but I just want us to delude from the misconception of if I don't have the Canva Pro, I can't do anything. So imagine if we start using the Canva Pro right now, people will still come back and say, oh, it's because you are using the Canva Pro. That is why you are able to do this. That is why I'm unable to do it from my hand. So in order to make it more simpler, we just have to help ourselves so that we can all be on the same page. So now, today, I would create a logo for a coffee shop. Remember, I told you anything I want to do, I would always come directly to online to search everything so that we can all see it. So let me search a coffee uh, something here to check some of the beautiful things we can do with a yeah. So if your mic, sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, with joining the with my mobile, so it will stop the initial one that I'm using. So please, if your mic is currently mute, please try to mute so that you get to disturb the class. So yeah, I'm going back again now. Going- I'm going back again. Now, where am I? So I searched for a coffee, but I want to look for a very nice coffee shop so that I can see how I can get inspiration from how they do their logo. No, 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 no. This is the wrong. This is the wrong platform I'm entering. So yeah, let me see. Coffee shop. Okay. Okay. I want to get a perfect. Okay. I think. Okay. I see. Okay. Don't you think somebody is talking and it's a bit distracting? So let me check. Ajara, you are the one disturbing us. Please kindly mute your mic. Okay, I can do it from my hand. Good. Another person too, still disturbing. Let me find the person. Okay. I'm trying to get those people that are currently disturbed. Please ensure you mute your mic so that you won't get to be distracting the some of the things we are doing. And yeah, thank you. Somebody sent me this. Yeah, somebody sent me Coffee Paradise, and yeah, it makes sense. Okay, let's get inspiration from there. So I want us to design a total product package for a coffee shop. Then from there we can create a flyer, a poster, and we can also create a certificate from it. So looking from this, for you to pick a template, you can just go directly to click on a template and just make some edits. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not doing that. So these are different templates that you can see. All you just need to do is just do a kind of a drag and drop. This is another one. This is a Rakia design. Then we have another one, something like this. Jiggling platypus and so yeah, we are getting a bit of feedback from people that are not currently mute. So let me quickly fix that because it will be distracting us. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think the major problem is those people that are currently coming in. Okay.
It's like this.
So I've mute Khadija. Is there any feedback again? I think we are good. Yeah. For now, I think we are good. Yeah, my mistake was I couldn't. I was unable to. I didn't put the setting up. Yeah. Okay. How many people are we going to mute? But I think people should be able to comport themselves. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I think it's perfect now. So let's move ahead with it. So assuming I'm trying to create a product, but I'm not going to use this. So let me just go back and create my own platform. By now, you should know the difference between creating a logo, creating a concept. So every product branding starts from somewhere. And where it starts is from the idea of putting a text together and knowing a particular thing or a particular name you want to use for your company. So, assuming I'm deleting this, I'm not going to use it. I'm deleting this as well. I'm not going to use it, and I'm deleting this. So, I want to use a simple way, which is just a text, and I think that would be the best way of creating a logo. So, I want to search for coffee. So very quickly, I would create a kind of imaginative, a kind of imaginative, a kind of imaginative logo without any stress or anything, coffee place, things like that. So let me just say coffee 247 for our name. So I will start with a text. So let me just use any text, coffee. And this is it 247. Then I want to put just like the normal thing people are used to, which is since something something. I don't know where they get that concept from, but anything related to maybe calf and cafe to give credibility. Let's say since 2020 or since 2010. So gradually, I want to create this. I want to make this something, but okay, to make it simple, you can do your design anyhow you want it, depending. So are we using a small letter? The answer should be no. It depends on the kind of things you are doing, but let me just use, so I will copy this and I will paste to say, okay, this one is 247. Okay. So yeah, I want to use it in this manner. So I'm not going to do anything special. So yeah, I just want a simple labeling for it. So all I will just do here is I want a stylish font for my coffee because it's a something. So under this type, let me choose handwriting because handwriting will look a bit nice. Okay, don't use this one. Oh. This one is not good. Yeah. Does this one make sense? Yeah. Think coffee 247. I want to give it a color of probably the yellow the lady gave us. Yeah. Coffee 247. And let me change this 247 to another font, you know, to make it more elegant. So don't use two color. Let's use the same font we use for our coffee, which is Celandine font. So I will use Celandine. Okay. So this is my coffee. This is my logo. Don't know whatever you want to call it, but this is my logo. And I will come to elements right now to just create to get let's say smoke. No, 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 no. No, this is not looking nice. Let's see odds. Let me search for odds and see what I will get. Oh, let me search for coffee itself to see what I will get under elements. So I have this. This makes sense. Wow. Remember this, the reason why I was able to use this is because the element I picked, it's a real element, something that has a property I can edit. Sure you get. So if you go and choose another something that is not looking nice, you will find it a bit difficult. Yeah. Oh, somebody said the background is making it a bit too dark. Don't worry, let's change that. Okay, okay. What background would you suggest? Okay, let me try and pick this color. Let me try and pick your color. Let me download this. Okay. Let me try and download this. Okay. So let me bring this to my work. Upload. I will bring it to my work so that I can get their assets. Okay, fine. Yeah, coffee something is not always too light. Sure, you get not always too light. So when you upload a certain element or a certain image on your Canva environment for inspiration, when you click on it, bam, it will bring all the assets. Sure, you get. So what I'm going to do now is I will just move it out a little bit here, because I just need the color. That's all. I will delete it back. So just watch the trick I'm about to do. I want to get the background color of this. So I will click here. So it will automatically generate the color for me, which is this color, isn't it? So that is it. And if I want to pick the yellow color there for the paradise too, I can also pick that, something like this. Then my 2472 could take something of that color as well, which is it could take this color, or it could take this yellow color here. Yeah. But as for this, I think preferably we use this. Sure, you get. Yeah, preferably we use this. Oh, sorry. So that is that. Any question about that? So we have our logo like this. So remember, this one is currently overlapping. Yeah. Then this one is still open sans. Let me try and make a perfect edit. I don't want to use any color. I don't want to use any font style except Celandine. No, the overlapping is just a normal trick. This is it. I've taken it out. I'm taking it back again. So to make it look as if uh the 7 is inside to make it look as if the 7 is inside the cup.
Say blood of Jesus.
So
Yeah.
let me blur this
Come.
a little bit.
Did you answer? Eh?
Oh gosh, why are
Where
people
are you?
speaking?
Where are you? I say blood of Jesus. Cover yourself with the blood of Jesus.
Oh gosh. Please mute your mic if you are listening to this. Because don't worry, I made a mistake. I was unable to. Okay, let's go. So this is what I have. It may not be perfect, but yeah, let me make it small. Let me make this font small to make it looks nice. Please watch out for the alignment. I ensured that my since 2010 has a parallel line with my coffee, the hot coffee something, so that it won't be indicating any error. So I have this. Does it look nice? Does it? So this is basically font and a simple style. So let me let me take it to the middle. So we have this. So I will duplicate the page now and change this one to white background. Then don't forget, so that it won't lose quality, the next thing you're supposed to do is just group it. So it has turned to a logo. So I grouped everything so that I won't lost the assets. Let me just delete this and copy this one, Command C or Control C. So yeah, if you are using a white background, it's possible. So change all your color to black probably, or you change it to a dark chocolate, depending on your company style. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So that it won't just be. So yeah, change this one too to yeah to dark. Any question about it? Yeah, Command G to group. Oh, sorry. If you are using Mac, that would be Command G. If you are using Windows, just do Control plus G to group it. So the group will make all this look a bit nice. So, and I can do something to hit. Let me just add a simple tagline. Yeah. Let me add a simple tagline, something like this. Yeah, with phone, if you are using phone, just click on the three hamburger icon that is here. You will see the copy style, the transparency, the link. You will see the one lock, and you will see group. So this one is already grouped. So when you click on the object, you will see on group here. You can see beside the position. So that's how to do that. So let's add a simple tagline. So my tagline would be serve quality coffee. Serve quality coffee with Ace. So I just got that. I don't know where I got it from. So now you choose your style. When you're doing a product, you choose your style. Remember, the font we are using is Celandine. So this is the font for my logo. If I want to tell my designer, I would just say, go and get Celandine font and do a perfect grouping. So for my text, the text I will be using in my company, because we are dealing with something. I don't know. We are doing with a coffee. I can say maybe I'm using Singer. Okay. Don't forget, for anything you can use transparency. You can even reduce the transparency of the text. Are you getting it? But there is no point. But yeah. So this is the font I will be using for my text. And the box I was talking about is my content is not passing through here. So I want to add some couple of stuff here. Remember, we have their templates. Look at this template here and look at this here too. So, and look at this place. So when you want to save your work, um, so let me just put a background, a nice background. No, I would leave this one like this. Let me make it a bit bigger because it's a logo, so that when you want to add it as your profile pics, it won't be too small. So yeah, this one makes sense. So let's create another page. You will see when I want to create another page, additional page, I just duplicate. This is duplicate page, this is delete, and this one is add page. So let me change this one to a style background. Style background. So this one, let me put a background because I want my I want my logo to be in a more something like a a very nice something. Let me see what these people do. Good. So okay, can see that is the essence of inspiration. So inspiration will always revolve when you do something from your head or based on your own prescription. So it gives you that competitive advantage to do anything you want to do. So let's say I'm launching coffee since 2010, coffee 247, and I want to put some kind of a background. You already know how to put a background. So just come to this place and add background here. Click on more, you will see a background, and I will search for coffee. Yeah, coffee, so that it can give me a very nice background. Sorry, there is no coffee. So let me say put a drink. We don't have anything of such. Okay, let me see what we have. So we have many images you can use here. So the one that has watermark, don't use it. But I can come here again and say coffee. You can see I have some nice images here on my Google. Exactly, coffee beans. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you. So, okay, let me go back. Let me see if Canva has coffee beans. If Canva has coffee beans, I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure. Coffee beans. No. Let's check elements if we have it. Coffee beans. Awesome. We have it. But this one is a pro. Oh, wow. This could have been the best. But it's even a video. It's even a video. Okay, this one too is pro. That's the advantage of pro. You'll be able to use some images, but I don't care. All the images that are here, they are images I can get any place. So, okay. Let me try and download a certain image. I think I found this compelling. So when you click on any image, look at the size very well. So if the size is larger or it's not larger than the size of the page, it will give you problem. Let's say for instance, now look at this. This one is 700 by 500. So it means when you put it on a image with a size of larger than 1000 pixels, so it will give you voila. Let me look at this. This one is too small, 400 by 300. I'm not going to download this one. So this one makes sense. 1200 by 879. Size is very important when you are downloading your images so that you won't have any blurrish image. So I love this too. Let me download this. Okay. To change the background color, click on the environment of your work and you will see color at the top or here. So we will play around these images to create some simple magic. Don't forget, minimalistic design is just the best, okay? Don't disturb yourself. Don't try to impress anyone, or don't try to put too much content on your work. So I'm good on this. I'm good on this. Oh, yeah, let me go back to my work. And okay, I just want to make it look presentable. You know, this is let me download this and share with you on the group. So I will download one after the other because I don't want it to. So I will click on share again. Click on download. Ensure you don't have a pro version, a pro element. So don't click. I will download the page two so that I can share. Awesome. So let me go back to the group so that I can share you what we have currently. Yeah, that is our logo in case you guys want to do anything with it. And yeah, that is what we'll be using for, okay. So my work will be done here in 1 minute. So I just want to ensure I have this. You can see I'm just dragging and dropping some of the things I have designed. Any question? So I have this. I will put this one. You know, when I click this image, the next thing I want to do is I want to put it as my background. So the next thing I will do is I will just click replace background. You can see. Then since I'm just launching, let me search an element called, there is one element called blur line. Yeah, blur line. Awesome. So let's see the blur line. Oh, the blur line is a pro version. The one I want to use is a pro version, but yeah, this is it. You can see I can use this one. I will just adjust it here. So I have this. I think this one will not work. My logo here will not work. Let me take my blur line a little bit off. I'm not sure we group this one. So I just want to blur this one. Yeah, I want to blur this place so that I can place my something there. Are we good? So yeah, white will go well here. Yeah. It is this side that I want to blur. If I want to blur, yeah, let me try and rotate this. Yeah, something like this. Can somebody tell me why I need to blur this using the comments? Can somebody tell me why I need to blur this? Okay, awesome. Awesome, thank you. For the logo to be visible. So this is the blur that I want to use, Gangan. The first blur here, but it's a pro version. That would have been better. And yeah, I should be able to do that. So let me pick my logo here. I'm not sure this thing, okay. So let me pick my logo here. So don't forget, I'm still looking for my square. Okay. And yeah, this is where your color plays out. So what color would come out plainly? Remember, for the brand, we are currently using black, and we are currently using I think something that looks like a a gray or something. But in this will not actually looks a bit nice. So let me try and blur. Okay. 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 So the black color would work here uh, perfectly. Yeah. Any question? And yeah, for our icon, don't forget the black should work perfectly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is what we have right now. And for this, I can quickly create a, no, sorry. So I can quickly create a, I'm trying to find, is this one clear? The serve quality coffee, is it so clear? Okay. So yeah, I guess it's clear. Yeah, 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 yeah. But let me make it, it doesn't have a blue. But another thing you can do to make it show, but I think Yeah, somebody said try yellow. Yeah, let me use yellow, but yellow is not part of our branding color. Did you remember? So anything we want to use right now should rallies around the color we are using. So let me copy the blur again. Oh, sorry. Let me use another blur here. So I'm using this blur element here. Awesome. So if I want it to be larger so that it can. Question on the go. I don't want us to introduce another color. So let me see if it actually works. Yeah, it works, but not so nice. So let's make it a bit more accurate, or let's try and remove this background. So I'll go to my upload again. Yeah. And remove this and remove this. So I guess this one should work. Perfectly. So you can as well reduce your you crop it. So let me adjust my I can just flip it. Or let me just put a bit of transparency to this one. Yeah. But this would not work. Okay. Okay. Let me just copy this one and put it here. Okay. Okay. Does it work or is too crowded? Yeah. Not going to work as I thought. Yeah, for the sake of moving forward, let me just change this background completely instead. And let me just find a nice color instead. So we've tried two things that is currently not working. And I will just go back to my simplicity line, which is just the coffee beans. Yeah. Okay. So Somebody suggest something. Somebody said we can use color and yeah, try to. Okay, I think we could try the color and then use the coffee element behind the 7 at the center. What does this mean? Ani Kemi, Ani K. Could you elaborate on that? But I think I got what I want to do so that I can just move forward with other things. You guys can always, put some effort in making it better. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow. Yeah, I think I got something awesome. Yeah, I got something. Yeah, and this is it. Yeah, this color is giving us a bit headache. 247 something. It's giving us a bit of headache. All right. So this is what I have finally, and I think I can say, let me just download this one and send it to you so that you can preview. So that's that about creating a simple logo, then using it. So another thing I will just do is, let me just open, because this one is a design. So I will just click on create a new design. Then I will create I will search for the next thing I would do, which is probably it could be a t-shirt or any other thing that you want to. And yeah, let me see. It could be a Facebook poster, but I think t-shirt would be nice for a business card. Business card, business card. So yeah, let me send it to you. Yeah, this may not be as perfect as you want or as you think, but at least it's a good thing to get started with. Okay, just click on the image. Then there is a how do I say it? There is a link. Okay, we good right now. So I want to create a simple card for my design. Are you getting it right now? For my coffee something. So yeah, we are currently using this black. Would just yeah, I think it's black. Yeah, I think it's black. So I want to copy this. Oh, sorry. I want to work on this. I'll call it coffee 247 coffee 247 card. So to create a card, it's simple, and yeah, for the sake of simplicity, I will just make it. I want to create it on a black something on a black card. Yeah, these are numerous style you can use for a simple card. But if you want to jumpstart, you can quickly just just apply both. You can pick a simple you get it, simple template. So for the sake of clarity, instead of you using this, so you just highlight this one and replace it with our coffee logo, the one we have here. So just put it here and replace it here. Remember, this one is still white and it's supposed to be black. Our scenes tool supposed to be a color like this. Under the upload, I will click on my upload again because my color palette is gone and I want to bring those color back. You know, I want to bring those color back. I will just put it around here. I think I prefer black for my for this coffee something. Yeah. Yeah, I think I prefer black. Prefer black. Okay. Oh yeah, and my color will be white like that. And this one too should be white. Just click on the font and change it to white. So we all have white, coffee 247. Then I will change my names to Kamal. Then Kehinde. So with that, I will say, yeah, I will say founder or co-founder or manager or business owner, whatever. So I would change the something that is here. Don't forget, change this one to white so that it can show clearly. Then this business owner should take a bit of the color that we are using, probably, I don't know because of time, but maybe this color. What's this color, Seth? So I can't detect this color right now, or I don't know where we get it from. But because of time, let me quickly change it, or let me leave it in this color. So I will change all this one to white because it won't nice. Yeah, just highlight all this, change it to white. Yeah. So remember that I said, yeah, this one is just an icon here. So for you to put icon of telephone, just come to elements and search telephone. Yeah, telephone on elements. Sorry, telephone. Yeah, telephone icon. So we have telephone here, and you can change it. If you don't want the one that is there, you can change it, but do a perfect alignment on it. So here, if you want to change it, don't make this mistake. Don't pick any icon that is image. You won't be able to change the color. Yeah, the card sample is on the template. This is it. I just picked a template for the sake of fastness. I pick the template, then I will change all the color that I will change all the text that is there. Remember, we are not using this text, so we are using Celandine. So I will change it to the color we are using, which is did you see it? So don't forget, change it to Celandine because that's our brand color. Our brand text. So you don't need to. So let me change this one to from ash. So let me change it to white so that we can have more. It will show clearly. So that's it. For this line, you already know line, right? For the elements, just search line here. Line. But always get inspiration somewhere. So line. So there are different types of lines. We have horizontal line, we have vertical lines. So this is the line. And this one is to just rotate it. I think they did it like this. So this one is a bit thicker, a thick line. So there are different types of line. We have this, we have this, we have different, we have arrow and like that, like that. So delete this. We have this one. I think this is what they are currently using. And you can make it, you can tick it or bold it. So yeah, that is that about that. Okay, let's change this one to, instead of hello at something, let's say coffee 247, coffee247.com. Okay, so anywhere, any city, we can put that. Then the second page, so yeah, we can just delete this one and change it to change this one to white. Okay, change this one to black as well. Then come here. Oh, sorry. No, it is there. It is just that it is white. So that's it. Thank you for that observation. Um, remember, we are currently on group. So let me just copy this one and put it to the back. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Any question about that? Any question? Any question? So I will just download this. So instead of me downloading it on the one after the other, okay, let me call this one.
Please, the lines for. I was not getting it that time, please.
What do you say? What do you say?
How do you use the lines for? Like, I just see that you open the.
Yeah, the line. I was telling you how they got this line. Yeah, this line. You can see. Yeah, this is the line. I decided to use to check the line. So you can do some line settings here. So if you want it to be a rounded something, then it will be a rounded endpoint. But if you don't want it to be a rounded endpoint, then the line weight, you can set the line weight here to maybe 5 or 56. You can see it. So let me delete it and bring it back. So for you to put a line, just come here, search for lines. So pick this one, this line here. Then when you click on the line, it has a style. So here, change the line weight here to 1. When you change it to 1, you will see that it becomes a bit thin here. So now rotate the line, okay? Then drag it here. Any question? Did you get it? So yeah, ensure that
Yeah, I
the
get it,
line,
sir. Thank you,
yeah,
sir.
ensure that the line is straight. So that's it. So I'm not using it. Let me return it back to the initial line that is there. Okay. So that is that about that. For you to pick a template, just pick a template here, go back. So there are numerous templates here. I just pick anyone. I picked anyone because of time so that I will be able to adjust clearly. So if you take a branding, so if you want to give it to the person that will print it for you, just download it in form of a PDF so that the person would be able to print without change the PNG format here. Don't put it in PNG, put it in PDF. It is best for printing standard. So just download, then I will share it on the group as well for you to see. So let me quickly do for the t-shirts. So assuming I'm done with the business card, we are supposed to do the total branding. Let me click on the home. Oh, thank you. Our slogan. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I will just pick it here. Command C. Put this one here as well. Yeah. Okay, did I copy? So you can copy from any page. You can copy from any page to any place, okay? Like here now, just tap it and paste. Did you see it? So I will just reduce this one and I will bring it down here. You can see I ensured that I have a rectangle, and I also ensure that the lines, the front, this purple line, let me zoom from front. So when I want to place this down, I ensure that I have my lines. So I place it on the rectangle beneath here. Then I also ensure that it is in the middle. I didn't do like this, so I didn't put it here where it is too extreme to the last background. So it means the border line here, it's what I'm being watchful of. So let me download again. So the PDF is the best print. If you are doing anything print, let's say you are done with your job and you want to send to people. So for you again, you want to do the t-shirt again, Abby? Oh yeah, click on create new designs and go to t-shirts, or you can search here quickly, t-shirts. So professional t-shirt is always in. So Canva make it so simple for you to be able to preview your work, and it makes sense. So let me share it with you. Okay, okay. Coffee 247 card. So your assignment, pick any product of your choice and create a complete branding, flyer, logo, and yeah, and ID card, letterhead, T-shirts. Okay. Yeah, there is a normal there should be a space. I'm just complaining about the uh for instance now you already have a design here. You're trying to design, then you go and put your design here without anything here. So it's not going to make sense. And for the standard, you just have to look at it. Yeah, I will do that. I will do that. I will type it. So let's quickly go to the t-shirts, then I will wrap up. So I'm not sure this has the Canva Pro has a preview for t-shirts, but let's see if it actually works. If it actually works, let's see if it works. What's going on here? Okay, I'm trying to check something because the Canva Pro has a okay, it has a preview that you can simply do. Okay, I'm unable to get this. Let me take it back a little. And yes, you can do that. That was what I'm planning to do. Okay. So in here, I have so let me click on the custom t-shirt to see what it will give me. Yeah, it will come out very, very well. It will come out very well. Just ensure that you use a quality, high quality elements in your work. Like don't put so Canva has a template. They has a very good they have a separate template for all these. So it's better you just click like I do now. You can see I go directly into the end page where I see marketing and some of the features. They have like a print product. You can do icons. They have files. If you, in case you want to edit photos, you can also do that. Then if you are building for apps, let's say Google Maps or any other thing, you can simply do that as well. So let's see what this one will bring. I think the network is restricting me a bit. Yeah, don't forget when you are doing yeah, I think it's still the same thing with the one we opened the other time. Yeah, it's still the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. I thought there would be some kind of differences. I'll just click on copy here, then come here and paste. Yeah. And let me try and make this one black like we are doing so that it can show. And let me make this one too black so that we can see it clearly. And yeah, our design is a bit distorted. Okay. Don't worry, I'll figure it out. Okay, you said when Canva designs are converted to PDF before downloading, does that mean automatically in all cases that it would come out well when printed? Yeah, sure. It will come out well. Yeah, it will come out well. I'm just saying when you want to download anything of for printing, you download in PDF, not in PNG or in JPG. Even when you click here, you will see that it says yeah. Okay, for the t-shirts, I think we will come back to that. My battery is currently down, so so thank you so much for your time, and I think
This is the
tomorrow
assignment,
we
sir.
would have yeah, sure. I will put that. I said you should create a branding, a product branding of any of anything. It could be for cake shop, it could be for anything. So a complete one. I will type it. All right. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening. In case you have any question, please drop it on the yeah. I don't know if I've answered your question, Derunke. You said when Canva designs are converted to PDF before downloading, does that automatically mean in all cases that it would come out yeah, of course, it will come out in a better way. So PDF, if you want to go and take it to the printing machine, you put it in PDF. So that is what they were requested for. So when you are done, you can easily do this. All right. So I will send the assignment to you. I will send the assignments so that you guys can practice very well. All right. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.
Thank you.